The Yukon Community Pilot Program, or YCP, is a life-changing opportunity that offers a unique immigration pathway designed specifically for the labor market needs of Yukon communities. This innovative program aims to attract skilled foreign workers to settle in rural and remote areas of Yukon, contributing significantly to the economic growth and development of these communities. One of the many reasons this program is so unique is due to its community-driven nomination process. The YCP program offers several standout benefits to successful applicants. For starters, there are no educational requirements needed. That's right, your academic qualifications do not hinder your chances of being part of this program. Similarly, language proficiency tests such as IELTS are not required, providing a relief to those concerned about language barriers. The program also offers a pathway to permanent residency in Canada, a dream for many immigrants worldwide. This means successful applicants will have the opportunity to live and work in a vibrant and close-knit community, truly experiencing the Canadian way of life. An interesting aspect of the YCP program is that the job offer can consist of multiple part-time positions from up to 3 different employers. This allows for flexibility and variety in your work life, and the best part? The YCP work permit is valid for 2 whole years. Now, if that wasn't enough, successful applicants are also eligible for various social benefits and services available to permanent residents in Canada. This includes access to employment opportunities tailored to the needs of the community and enhanced integration and support services to facilitate settlement and adjustment to life in Yukon. In essence, the Yukon Community Pilot Program is not just about providing a job, but about building a life. It's about becoming part of a community, contributing to its growth and development, and reaping the benefits of a fulfilled life in one of the most beautiful regions of Canada. With such immense benefits, the YCP program is truly a golden ticket for immigrants seeking a fulfilling life in Canada. Now, let's delve into who qualifies for this fantastic program. To become eligible for the Yukon Community Pilot, there are specific criteria that you need to meet. These are outlined by the Yukon government and are designed to ensure that the program benefits both the individual and the community. Firstly, you need to secure employment in any of the designated communities in Yukon, which include Carcross, Carmacks, Dawson City, Haines Junction, Watson Lake, and Whitehorse. These areas are vibrant, close-knit communities that offer a unique lifestyle and plenty of opportunities for growth. Next, you need to obtain 2 to 3 job offers from a maximum of 3 employers within a single community. These job offers should total to 1,560 hours of work within a year. This is equivalent to full-time employment and ensures that you contribute significantly to the local economy. It's important to note that each foreign national's job offers must all pertain to the same community, even though they may originate from different employers. This is to ensure that you have a strong connection to the community and are likely to settle there long-term. Furthermore, each job offer should correspond to a specific occupation listed in the National Occupational Classification, or NOC. This classification system is used by the Canadian government to categorize and describe all types of work in the country. By aligning your job offer with the NOC, you demonstrate that your skills and experience match the needs of the Yukon labor market. So, to sum up, to be eligible for the Yukon Community Pilot, you need to secure employment in a designated Yukon community, obtain multiple job offers totaling full-time hours, and ensure that these job offers correspond to specific occupations in the NOC. Meeting these requirements is the first key step towards your journey to Yukon. Remember, this program offers a unique opportunity to live and work in a vibrant community, contribute to the local economy, and secure a pathway to permanent residency in Canada. So why not take that first step today? Starting the application process might seem daunting, but worry not, we are here to guide you through it. The first step on your journey to the Yukon Community Pilot Program is securing job offers. Now, this isn't your usual job application process. Here, you need to apply for 2 or 3 job offers that match your qualifications. These job offers must all be within the same community, but can come from different employers. And remember, the total work hours from these offers should tally up to 1,560 hours in a year, equivalent to full-time employment. So, roll up your sleeves and begin your job search. Dive deep into this vibrant community and find roles that best suit your skills and interests. Once you've successfully secured your job offers, it's time to move on to the nomination application. This is where the Yukon Provincial Nominee Program comes into the picture. You'll apply for this program, and upon approval, you'll receive a nomination letter from the Yukon government. This letter is crucial for your application, so make sure to keep it safe. Depending on your skill level, you can apply for either the Skilled Worker Program or the Critical Impact Worker Program, but irrespective of which program you choose, it's important to secure a signed letter of support from the government of Yukon. This letter should detail specifics about your job, such as the location, hours, occupation, and employer details. It should also confirm the employer's requirement for you to reside and work in the community. The process may seem long and winding, but remember, each step is a stride closer to your dream. It's all about patience, perseverance, and meticulous preparation. So, gather your documents, prepare your applications, and step confidently into this exciting journey. Securing a job offer and getting the nomination letter from the Yukon government brings you closer to your dream. Moving forward in the application process, let's discuss the next steps. Once you have secured your job offers and received your government letters, it's time to apply for the Yukon Work Permit. This permit is a golden ticket, allowing you to work for any employer within the designated areas without the need for labor market impact assessment approval. Applying for the Yukon Work Permit is a straightforward process. You'll need to complete the application form, which includes providing personal details, job offer details, and employer details. It's essential to ensure all the information you provide is accurate and up to date. After submitting your application, it will be reviewed by the relevant authorities. If your application is successful, you'll be issued a work permit that's valid for 2 years. This permit will enable you to start working and contributing to the Yukon community straight away. Now, with your work permit in hand and a new job on the horizon, it's time to take the final step in the application process: applying for permanent residency. With your nomination certificate, you can apply for permanent residency through the Federal Express Entry System or other relevant immigration programs administered by Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada. This is a big step, as it will allow you to live and work in Canada indefinitely. The application process for permanent residency involves providing detailed personal information, proof of your job offer, and your nomination certificate. You'll also need to pass a medical exam and provide a police certificate to prove you have no criminal record. Once you've submitted your application, it will be reviewed by immigration officials. If approved, you'll be granted permanent resident status. This means you can live, work, and study in Canada on a permanent basis. You'll also have access to most of the social benefits that Canadian citizens receive, including healthcare. With these steps completed, you're on the home stretch towards your new life in Yukon. In conclusion, the Yukon Community Pilot Program holds a unique and matchless opportunity for immigrants. This special program is specifically designed to cater to the labor market necessities of the Yukon communities. Several benefits are incorporated in this program, such as no obligatory educational requirements, no compulsory language proficiency tests, and no need for labor market impact assessment approval. Moreover, it allows the spouses of the primary applicants to apply for an open work permit in Canada under certain conditions. So what are you waiting for? Initiate your Yukon journey today through the Yukon Community Pilot Program. A brand new life is beckoning you in the heart of Canada. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave your comments, press the notification bell for updates, share it with your friends, and do subscribe for more interesting and informative content.